Good morning. Everyone is awake. Have you all had your breakfast? Excellent. All right. So today's session is Introduction to the Asia Pacific Advanced Network. Let me just have a show of hands. Who knows what APAN is? Except for the front row. Okay. So then this session will actually be good for you. Once we have done the introduction to APAN, we will have we have the fellows here for APAN 56. There should be 19 of you, and I believe 2 are online. We have Sharma and I'm not sure if the other one is Kokila. Sharma, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear. Good morning.
Can you speak, Sharma?
Yes, I'm speaking. I can hear.
We can't hear Sharma.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, but you need to speak later.
Yeah.
Okay. So after the introduction to APAN, we will have the fellows. Shan will do a quick introduction to the APAN fellowship, and we will call out the fellows to have a quick introduction. All right. So you're given about maximum 2 to 3 minutes, like a lightning talk. So don't take too long. Some of you have got long slides, but make it as short and sweet as possible because I did tell you all 1 slide. Some of you have given quite a bit. So it'll be a lightning talk because we've got 19 of you. I'm sure you guys want to go out and network and you don't want to be stuck here listening to a lot of slides. All right. So let's start. Okay. So the Asia Pacific, we have got half of the population in Asia Pacific. We are growing very strong in R&D. For APAN, we have got the partnerships with the National Research and Education Network, which is the NREN, right? In APAN, we have got 19 members who are the primary members. We have got 22 plus who are affiliates, who are associates, liaison, and also industry partners. We were formed in 1995, incorporated in 2000, right? We had an MOU partnership, then we became APAN Limited. APAN is independent, it's self-governing, and we have got a lot of interested parties in APAN. All right. So basically, what is the National Research and Education Network? Most of you are from your respective NRENs. You perhaps have the knowledge of it or you don't, right? For an example, let's say Singapore. They have the Singapore Research and Education Network, which is SINGAREN. Some of you are from Pakistan. We have APAN, right? So that is an NREN. We have from, which are you from an NREN? What is it called? Yeah, yourself? Okay, yeah, so that's APAN. Anyone else? India. Who's the one from Nepal? I can't see you. Right, okay. Malita, do you know where you're from? What is your NREN called? You're hosting Learn, right? Okay. So similarly, we have about 19 who are primary members. Around the world, we have got, I think, more than 125 dedicated NRENs. They work together. It's basically a network of network, right? The objective is to provide seamless connectivity. We have we focus on research. We focus on education, and these communities they work seamlessly. A lot of them don't even know that your network is on an NREN. It is, the whole idea is for it to be seamless, right? So one great example would be EduRoam, right? We have got students, faculty and staff who can gain wireless network access no matter where they go, and they have a standard username and password. Like now we have to, wherever we go, we will have to access to their SSID. But with EduRoam, you have one username and password that your NREN provides. So as long as you go to the locations that have EduRoam, you can use that. So that is seamless, right? And then next is performance of the NREN itself. They run on a technical note. It is basically engineered on low latency, high bandwidth, right? Because there's a lot of data transfer. There's really high computing performance research that's done. So you require high bandwidth, right? And then the most important, I feel, for an NREN will always be the collaboration. So if you are working with another NREN, there is a lot of collaboration involved. I'm sure a lot of you are working with other countries, right? Other NRENs or multiple at the same time. So collaboration is very important on a national R&E. And then, of course, always comes back to trust, right? How secure is your network? This is not a commercial network, right? It is a network that is built for R&E. So the trust is always there because the network is built on high security. It's the trust because of the data that's being transferred is very important, right? And then we have the innovation. So basically R&E, the NRENs are basically drivers of innovation. They explore, they go wild on research, right? So there's a lot of international test beds that are developed. Okay. Next is we have the infrastructure, but if you don't have the users, then there's no point, right? You can have high bandwidth, you can have gigabits running, but if you don't have users, then what's the point? So you guys are the users for the NRENs, right? So the community is not just on the routers and the big pipes, it's the people, right? Okay, so basically, in short, this is what an NREN is: the reach, the performance, the collaboration, the trust, the innovation it does, and the community. So this is the Asia-Pacific backbone topology. So we have the Xeon links, we have the JGN links, we have the TN links. There's also, if you notice, the whole Asia-Pac is connected. I mean, similarly, we have the global view as well of NRENs that are connected among these 125 countries that I spoke about, right? So basically, NREN is a matter of scale. Like I said, data. We are already running on exabytes. And HPC, high performance data is all big volume. And then, like I've also mentioned, people, the community of the NRENs are very important. Okay. So what are the challenges that we have as NRENs? Okay. Most of our NRENs are built on various models. Some are government funded, some are self-funded. Some really old NRENs have become organizations like ARNet, right? For example, so different NREN has got different model. Okay. Now, they also fund themselves differently. They all have whatever that is suitable, that works within their country. The challenges for NREN are usually getting the people on board. You have the research, you want to collaborate, but how? Who is your coordinator, or who does your coordinating role, right? So APAN is there to do that. We have our members, the 19 economists. There are some of the countries in Asia-Pac that are not connected yet. We are working hard to get them on board as well. So with this, we require people to come on board, to show interest and say that, hey, I want to have collaboration with Pakistan. Who do I see? Who do I meet? Right? So you come to us and we will help you do the linkages. We will send you to PERN, or we will send you to, or maybe if you have a particular interest, of a research interest, but we will get in touch with the NREN, right? So our focal points will always be the NREN, where we help you coordinate. Okay. So enough of APAN and the NRENs. Now, this is what we do. We have the connectivity. The NRENs have developed the infrastructure, build the infrastructure for you. So we do a coordination role. We help you with collaboration. And then we make sure there's continuity. And of course, the community. Now, in terms of coordination, the APAN Secretariat is there, right? So basically, they are the focal point that helps with the coordination role. In terms of collaboration, like I said, anything is a collaboration. It can be shared resources, can be services, it can just be a working group meeting, right? And continuity, we have been around for almost 16 years. We are member-led, right, with the 19 economies, and we're independent, okay? And the community is how we meet up is APAN meetings. We have twice a year, right? So we're back on physical. So we have working groups, we have the task force, we have, which are all comprising of the research and education, and of course the people. Okay, so in terms of community, we focus on the users. We have the application level and we have the tech level. So in terms of application, if you've gone into our APAN website, you will see that we have various working groups. So we have the application level, we have the tech level. In terms of application, it will be like agriculture, disaster mitigation, e-culture, telemedicine. So what you see on the website is not all of it. If you have new interests, you want to start up something new with your group, or you already have an existing working group on your NREN level and you want to bring it up to APAN, come speak to us. Start off with a birds of, we call it BOF, birds of feather. And you will have to have two meetings. In an APAN meeting, you will have to have 2. And after that, we can upgrade you to a working group, provided you have enough interests, you have enough members, enough activities. Okay, so that is how you start off a working group. On the tech level, we have now we have on IoT, cloud, identity access management, AI driven. Okay, so the 2 major meetings that we have on a yearly basis garners about 300 participants. We have had around almost 1,000 for virtual meetings during the pandemic. So we have hit the numbers. Okay, in terms of things we do. So this is agriculture. This is disaster mitigation. This is e-culture. So e-culture, they have had cyber performances between countries. Okay, Internet of Things. And a very active working group that we have is the telemedicine. So all our APAN meetings on a daily basis, they have at least 4 tracks going on every day, and various in various disciplines. So there's telesurgeries that take place. There's a lot of teleconsultation, telemedicine that takes place. So if you have interest, you could just pop in. But yeah, in this APAN 56, everything is on virtual. So just join into the virtual link. Some of them on YouTube and some of them on Zoom, and you can just have an idea of what they do. So in terms of APAN structure, so as I mentioned, we have the working groups, we have the task force. So what is a task force? Task force is not a working group level, but they are more of project activities. It can be short-term, it can be long-term. At this point of time, we have one, which is the identity access management run by Terry. In terms of committee, we have the program committee, which looks into the organizing of an APAN meeting, the scheduling, the programs, the session presentations and presentations by y'all. When y'all submit, the program committee looks into it. We also have the tech committee. So program committee is chaired by Andrew Howard from Australia. Tech committee, we have Jamie, who's at the back of the hall right now. So he takes care of all the technical setup that you see in terms of the virtual links and in terms of the equipments. And then we have the election committee. The election committee looks into the election of our board of directors, right? And then we have the NOC, Network Operations Center, which is based in Japan. And then last is we have the fellowship committee. So fellowship committee is chaired by Marcus and Basuki. And Marcus, our former GM. So these are the committees that we have. Okay, so in terms of people, our 19 members are part of the council members. That's the council. And then we have the board of directors. At this point of time, we have 8. And there will be an election coming up on Wednesday, because we have some board of directors that are stepping down. So there'll be new directors coming on board. And then we have the APAN general manager, which is me. And then we have the APAN secretary, which is headed by Sean. Okay, so basically these are the people that comprises APAN. So in terms of meeting and conference, which is why I told the fellows, you join all the sessions that you can, because it's beneficial. We have got a big range of activities, sessions that are going on, right? So that's basically what comprises of the APAN meeting, the working group and the sessions. And then we have workshops that are being run as well. Then we have the committee sessions, all the committees that I mentioned, the program committee, the board, the council are all meeting up as well. And then we have the plenaries. Tomorrow we have the opening ceremony. And Thursday, on Friday, we have the closing ceremony and the General Assembly. So we have keynote speakers and plenary speakers on Tuesday and Friday. And this time around, we have the HPC conference that will take place on Thursday, right? And then we have a opening ceremony, opening keynote for the HP conference, and followed by sessions the whole day. And then, of course, the social events. Tomorrow we have the opening dinner. Tomorrow is the opening dinner. Thursday we have the gala dinner, right? And then again, workshops. A lot of site meetings are also taking place. I'm sure it's a good platform for you all to also start collaborating, start talking to people, right? And all the meetings are open meetings except for board meeting. So you can come join the council meetings, see what takes place. We speak about activities that we plan for APAN as a whole, right? Okay, so that is pretty much my presentation. Do you have any questions? Claire? I'm sure some of you have been hearing this quite often. I see some new faces. All good, all clear? Yourself, please. Oh, I didn't introduce myself? Okay. I'm Liana Jacinta, the new APAN General Manager. Yeah, and I'm from Malaysia. No, I'm not. I used to work with the Malaysian Research and Education Network for 14 years. And then we became the APAN Secretariat, and now I'm the APAN General Manager. All around the world. So if you go on to, you could just Google up NREN, and you will be able to see the whole global network. So we have got, I think if I'm not mistaken, 120 above NRENs. So all around. So in terms of infra, TN or Asia Connect now takes care of the infra for Asia Pac. And then for Europe, we have Gion. So they take care of Europe and UK, Europe and the United Kingdom. Internet 2 takes care of the connections in US. So there is a lot of big organizations that take care of within their region. The Middle East, there is. The African, there is. So we have about 125 NRENs around. So you could just go and Google up National Research and Education Network. You'll have a long list of them on Wikipedia. Yeah. You're welcome. All good. So we shall call upon Sean next to present his fellowship.
Thank you, Elena. Hi, good morning. My name is Shan. I'm with the APAN Secretariat. And I'm here to talk about the fellowship program here at APAN 56. Firstly, congratulations to all the fellows that have been, accepted to join this program this year for the APAN 56. Now, what is the APAN Fellowship Program? Now, APAN has a fellowship program literally to collaborate, to promote global collaboration through participation in the APAN meetings. Now, we have these meetings two times a year at various locations. And what we expect from you actually is to network with other researchers and engineers and students who are joining these sessions. As Liana mentioned, there are a lot of sessions to join, and there are opening ceremonies, and they are now for APAN 56, we have the HBC conference. So we expect you to join them and meet as many people and network with as many people as you can. Now, with the global collaboration that you will face and that you will encourage, we hope that you can go back to your local community, to your universities, and at the same time promote APAN as what you find as beneficial to you. And for whom, literally, what we like to cover is fellowships are offered on competitive basis. So you can apply. The call will be out before the call for papers, isn't it? You know? And then at the same time, that's the time you can apply for them. And we encourage students, undergraduates, and graduates, and early career young researchers. Right. And we also have some returning fellows from the previous APAN meeting. We do encourage new ones, but we also give the returning ones a chance. Following up to this, actually, is something that's not on the slide, is something that we like to start off with, called the APAN alumni. So what happens, fellowship alumni? So what happens after you attend the fellowship program at the meetings? What happens is that we hope to have you back into another program called the alumni program, where we see what we can do further and collaborate further in other programs or other initiatives where you and APAN can collaborate on. So it's a follow through to the usual fellowship programs that we have. Now, during this APAN fellowship program, these are the to-dos and the tasks. To attend the assigned sessions and obtain session attendance. So I think we've already clarified with you that you need to download the Hoover app and check the people who are in each session. Now, as what Liana mentioned as well, attend as many sessions as possible. Yeah, take advantage of all the sessions available and get into it. Attend the opening ceremony and closing ceremony, opening dinner and gala dinner. There are shuttles available as well. And then attend the HPC conference, which is scheduled on Thursday, and the General Assembly, which is on Friday. And you will receive your certificates then. All right, so now we move on to the fellows introduction. So I'm going to call one by one up. The first one, Dr. Shankar.
Hi, morning everyone. So my name is Shankar Krapaya. You can just call me Shankar. I'm a senior lecturer at National Advanced IPv6 Center in University Science Malaysia. So we're also closely working with MyREN, Malaysian Research Education Network. So a bit on my background. So my background is more on cybersecurity and distributed systems. And now we are venturing more on Internet of Things. So this is something that you are having interest. Probably we can discuss over lunch or tea. So the objective of me applying for this APAN fellowship this time around is that I'm presenting in the security working group. It's happening tomorrow, 9 o'clock session. So do join. And I'm also looking for networking partners from other NREN. So there's a lot of things that we can actually do. We have already done. So we have worked with VDREN. We have worked with ASTI from the Philippines. So VDREN Bangladesh. Also IDREN from Indonesia. So we are looking forward to actually collaborate with more research partners, or rather partners from other NRENs. And in terms of benefits, as I mentioned, we're looking at collaboration, research projects, and also joint events that we could potentially offer. I think that's about it from my side. Thank you. Yeah.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Pachapong Kutamlongkun, or you can call me just Film. It's easier to remember. So I feel really excited to be here because it is the first time to be at the conference. So right now I'm a master student at the Chulalongkorn University in the Department of Electrical Engineering. And my experience is to do an internship at the some companies that contribute the building management system by applying cloud and IoT technologies. And also I have designed the IoT monitoring system for the in-factory vehicles. which will be more explanation on this Thursday. So feel free to join. And my interest is about the IoT embedded system and also the full stack web development, and also with cloud and AI. So feel free to talk with me if you have any suggestion or recommend. Okay, thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Gunjan Ranjitkar. Namaste I'm from Nepal. Namaste. I'm working. Sorry. I'm working in Tribhuvan University Institute of Medicine, Maharaj Nursing Campus since 2003, and working as an IT senior system admin. I've been looking all over the networks, servers, and systems and all, as well as I'm also a part of NREN in Nepal. Thank you. Oh, your goodness, nice. Okay. I have I'm working in Maharaj Nursing Campus recently from last year 2022, and working as a system admin. I work in IUM Office of the Dean, Department of IT Information Technology from 2009 to 2022. My objective of my APAN is to my APAN Fellowship program is to share ideas and knowledge with the diverse stakeholders groups to work together to form a network with peers with similar technical interests, technical in terms of technical knowledge, and in the interest of government's matters. I hope it is a hope that this meeting provides us with the right environment to the network with other researchers, engineers, and students. It is also the also intent that the participants like us will provide collaboration in our local community after APAN 56. Thank you. Next.
Hi, fellows. I'm Rehan Sarwalodi. I'm from APAN, Pakistan. Basically, I'm working as a network engineer over there from last 10 years, more than 10 years. Why I'm here is my basic aim is to join all you fellows and share my experience with you and gain insight from your diverse experiences. I want to socially connect and discuss fun opportunities with you all. And if someone from my background want to learn something from my background, I am here open to discuss anything from NREN side. That's all from my side. Okay, thank you.
Hi, fellows. I'm the Shafai Hussain, Head Computer Science and Engineering Department at University. It is very warm. Welcome all of you at this APAN 56. I'm very lucky to be a selected fellows among all of you. So here is a short description. I have been working as an academician and researcher, and I worked as a co-organizer and some of the international conferences, Dr. D.I. Patlvi Schools, Pune, India, University of Malaysia, Perlis, 6th International Conference on Electronic Design ICED 2022, University Kuala Lumpur UNICAL, International Visualization Informatics and Technology Conference, IVIT 20022. 9th International Conference on Computing and Informatics, ICOCI 2023. And this time, August 30 is the deadline for the Software Technology and Visual Informatics Application, SOTVIA conference. These are the conferences I've been working as a co-organizer in the technical committee and some of the keynote speakers in different programs. And apart from that, I've been also serving as a jury board member in the Innovation Research, Invention and Application Exhibition IRA 2022. And this week, I've been serving as a 8th Innovation Research, Invention and Application Exhibition IRIA, this is in Malaysia, 2023 as well. So both these program, I've been working as a jury board. So here I have a quest to get some knowledge about different project, advanced networking, which focuses on the 4th industrial revolutions. And apart from that, in the last year, in the program, Asia Pacific Research and Innovations, APRIGF, it's a hybrid event. It held in Singapore in the last year, 2022. I have been working as a local hub. And this year, I also been acquainted with the local hub organizer. In 2023, it will be held in Brisbane, Australia from 29 to 31 August in this month. So after completion of this APAN 56, I just move on to the local hub of that programs. So this is a good opportunity. These are some virtual event, and APAN 56, this is a completely in-person program. So the next couple of days, we will collaborate, research that the end-to-end activities. That's why I have been actually submitted applications for the APAN fellowships. And I'm happy that I've learned here and hope these continuations will be enrich myself and insights for the near futures. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Mohammad Ilyas from PAN, Pakistan. Currently, I'm working as the accounts officer in the PAN since 2008, and I am responsible for the financial management of PAN activities, overall the administration of all the seminars and conferences in Pakistan Education and Research Network. Next, please. Okay. Last year, I also attended the APAN 55th meeting in Nepal as a fellow. Currently, I am joining the APAN 56 to collaborate with the APAN members and to experience the management of overall APAN meeting, because we are working to organize the APAN in next year in Pakistan. And I am also working on the sustainability of NRENs and working for the sustainability as a PhD project. So through collaboration in APAN, I will request the APAN committees to collaborate with the universities and the APAN NRENs. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, and Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank the APAN organizers for accepting us and providing us opportunity as a fellowship here. Let's give a brief introduction of mine. I am Muhammad Ali Ismail from ND University of Engineering Technology, and also a director of a National Center of Big Data and Cloud Computing there. Also looking after the Department of Computer and Information System Engineering as a HOD. The idea of coming here actually is that we at National Center of Big Data and Cloud Computing is very much working closely with the PAN, the Pakistan NERDs, and we have able that PAN to be a part of a private cloud. From the institution level, at NAD, we have developed our own private cloud, and over that PAN. And now what we are expecting and what I have to do so that we can extend that cloud infrastructure over the other lands. And for that reason, I applied that there are some of the cloud working group, as Liana said, that there's some working groups, especially the cloud. So I want to be get involved in that one and see that how we can extend that a private cloud. The idea or my dream is that it should be a community cloud as well over that all the different nerds and the Asia Pacific network, the APAN, I think will do a lot, can do a lot in this. So looking forward for having a very private cloud in the next few years, and I'm here to learn something from that and to share my experience, what we have and what we have done in Pakistan so far. So this is from my side. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Shangming from Taiwan, and you can just call me Mark. And I'm a senior student, and I still undergraduate. So I think most of my brother and sisters. Yeah, and my major is in information management, and I'm an operator and network admin in my school computer center. And now I'm running a community called Infrastructure Lab. And if you want to find me, you can just find Mark at mark.tw. Okay. So what I do, I found this community last year because I found my friend cannot free to use the public cloud because they don't have a credit card or something. They just cannot maintain so many platforms. So me and my friend, so who likes the IT skill, SI skill, maybe and network admin and system admin skills, we build a private cloud based on the Proxmox 3, and now we are improved to the OpenStack. And so we build this cloud for free and to provide to our student in National Central University. Yeah. So what we do, we integrate the network resource in our school. This is a small region, but for me, it's a great laboratory and great experience to make me be better in the network domain. Yeah, we have the IP from computer center and get collaborate with student association, get the student domain, and we provide our PAS service and with the users app, and we can have a good cloud in our school. Yeah. So why I joined APAN. So because I'm going to apply the master program, and I'm interested in network engineering and especially in cloud infrastructure. So I'm seeking for the collaborate with others. Yeah, and I want to know international status of our network. Yeah. So my contribution, I can bring the APAN experience back to Taiwan to my friend, and especially I can bring connection here and bring connection back to my country. And maybe I hope one day I can have a chance to present my research in APAN. So thank you, everyone.
Hi fellows, good morning. It's Malita. I'm from here, Sri Lanka, and I'm a senior system analyst at HCL Technologies, as well as I'm a technical trainer for the ICTA, which is Information and Communication Technology Agency in Sri Lanka, which is the ICT body of Sri Lanka. It's a government collaborated agency, and I'll be teaching them about the technical of the network engineering and the system engineering, mostly the Oracle. And yes, so these are my background. Like I have gone into the college in Bandaravela, which is a nice place if you know. So, and my university is Sri Lanka Institute of Information Technology. I graduated as a computer systems and network engineering in major. And my experience. So I have worked in a information and communication technology agency as a trainer, project manager. And after that, I have joined to the MS Holdings as a infrastructure engineer. Then now I'm working in HCL Technologies as a senior system analyst. So I am managing the network and cloud infrastructure for a certain project. So most probably, mostly my skills are like network implementation, cloud engineering, and application development. I like to make apps in Microsoft Power Platform and ITIL as well. So I have volunteered in Tech Startup Weekend in 2018, and I am lecturing in Sri Lankan Administrative Services in government, and I am a lecturer of a Lightning Digital Youth Boot Camp, which is a boot camp for university students in Sri Lanka. And these are my hobbies. Like I'm a motorcycle fan, classic motorcycle, and I'm donating blood regularly, and I like to travel across the country. Thank you, guys. So we'll meet.
Hello, everyone. My name is Saranjeet. I'm based out of India, and I'm honored to be a returning fellow for APAN. Work-wise, I'm community manager for Asia region at the Research Software Alliance. I'm also a fellow of the Software Sustainability Institute and the lead and co-founder of RSC Asia Association. My objective of attending APAN is to support the organizing of APAN 56 meeting, connect and network with you all, learn from others, and most importantly, raise awareness about research software engineering as a community and a profession. My plans for contributing is my main plan to attend APAN 56 is to propose a task force within APAN for the growth of research software engineering in Asian region. And I'm also open to new ideas and opportunities to collaborate with and contribute to APAN. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm grateful for the APAN for this opportunity to be accepted as one of the research fellow. I'm Angie Siniza Canilio from the University of San Carlos. I'm the current chair of the Department of Computer Information Sciences and Mathematics in the School of Arts and Sciences. I am currently the member secretary of the Research Ethics Committee in the university. I am also a board member in National Research Council in the Philippines, as well as a member in the Philippine Society of Information Technology Educators in Central Visayas region. So my motivation in joining this is as a researcher, I wanted to collaborate and exchange ideas among my research fellows or researchers in the Asia Pacific region. As a professor for 13 years, I want to share my experience and knowledge in research. And as the chair of the Department of Computer Information Sciences and Mathematics, I want to know the best practices in creating researches that will contribute to the growth and development of the society. And I want to explore the possibility of creating advanced network technologies and innovative solutions for research and education networking. And in addition, our university is aiming to be a research university in the Philippines in year 2030. By the way, my research interests are artificial intelligence, machine learning, effective computing, and in terms of information technology education. Thank you, everyone.
Can you hear me? Hello?
Shama, not yet, Shama.
How about now? Hello?
Okay. Shama?
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yeah, go ahead, Shama.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Shama Wilson. I am in Sri Lanka. So welcome you all to Sri Lanka. So and currently I'm working as a lecturer at Uvalasa University, and also I expect to start my PhD studies. So at Western Sydney University, Australia, which will be starting in coming September. So, and if I tell about my APAN experience and why I am here today, so actually I'm a researcher in ontology engineering, and my application area is agriculture. So this time my research area and the APAN going together. So then I'm so happy to join this time as well, because last time I had great experience, because last time also I attended to APAN, which was in Nepal. So I did my presentation on the agriculture working group. So at that time, I had a chance to connect with researchers, and I learned a lot from them. I get connected with new researchers, and I met great good friends. And I think this time also I can gain a lot of things from APAN. So I believe that this week will be a productive week for me, not only for me as well as you. So thank you for the organizing team selecting me for this time to be upon as well, and see you later.
Good morning, everyone. Yes, first of all, I would like to thank the APAN team for giving me this opportunity. Okay. Yes, I am W.A. Indika, attached to the Department of Computer Science, Faculty of Science, University of Ruhuna Matra, Sri Lanka. I am also coordinator of the Govinana project. It is a farmers intelligent project. Through this project, we are developing the mobile apps for the farmers in Sri Lanka. Currently, now we have two applications. First one for the farmers, commercial farmers. The second one is the Govinana home garden application for home gardens in Sri Lanka. Through this application, they can manage their farms as well as home gardens. Okay. Objectives of the attending this fellowship. First, I want to get aware of what are the current technologies and the trends, and also I want to get exposed what are the real world problems in the different countries, and how they manage these problems, and how they successfully face these problems, and we can get some idea about them, and we can customize and in our Sri Lankan context. And also I am very happy to contribute to the agriculture workshop, and also I'm happy to collaborate with each other for the research purposes as well as the academic activities. Okay, thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to all of you. First of all, I'll welcome to everyone Sri Lanka. Thank you for visiting Sri Lanka. So my name is Mohammed Mansoor Zahir Hussain. You can call me as a Zahir. I'm a network manager on the Open University of Sri Lanka. We are the one of ODL University in Sri Lanka. And my main objective is knowledge sharing. We all coming from the different nations. So we have different thoughts, different ideas. So APAN is the best place to exchange our knowledge and technology as well as our culture. So, my interested area is a network and cybersecurities. Now I am leading nowadays I'm reading my master's in University of Moratuwa in cybersecurity. So so APAN 56 so giving me a great opportunity for all of us. So we all need to grab the information and knowledge and sharing. So once again, I'm thank to APAN 56 as well as General Manager Liana. Thank you very much.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
Hello. I'm Rupesh Basnet. I'm from Nepal. I'm a returning fellow of APAN, so I was there in APAN at APAN 47. So but it's all about me. I started my career 15 years back, and I'm currently volunteer for RAIN in Nepal. It's a Nepal Research and Education Network. So I basically do what I do with ANRAIN is help them to set up their IDP, SP, and we're trying to start up with EduGain. So my main reason to join this or apply for this APAN was to learn more on the federation. So how we can easily achieve it and have other member within our ANRAIN to build those as well. And I'm apart from this ANRAIN, I'm a volunteer and a seasonal trainer for NP-NOC. So it's a regional NOC within Nepal, which we do twice a year, and another is SANOC, that's for SARC. So yeah, this is the things that I do in ANRAIN. I already told you, and what I'm looking to do is to learn more on federation. Yeah, so another thing is what APAN can expect from me is, but once I have my what I get or what I learn from APAN, so I'll be able to give it back to my community in Nepal with other NOCs or any other program within ANRAIN or our local regional NOCs. Thank you.
Hi, good morning all. I am Umesh Anand from Sri Lanka. First, thank you, APAN 56, to giving me this opportunity to be as a fellow in this program. I'm a lecturer in World University attached to the Department of Computer Science and Informatics. I have graduated in University of Jaffna. I have followed BSc Honors in Computer Science. And currently, I am following MSc in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. And my objective is get connected with each other, get connected with the global fellows, and hopefully I can share my experience and I can gain a lot of knowledge from you all, and I can share this experience with my community. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to everybody. I am Professor Dr. Ashikur Rahman Khan from Bangladesh. First, I want to express my gratitude and thank you to the authority of APAN 56 to allow me and permit me to join in such a program, valuable program. Currently, I have the responsibilities in my university as a Dean of the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, and I am the Professor and Chairman of the Department of Information and Communication Engineering and Director ICT Cell of my university, Noakhali Science and Technology University, Bangladesh. As a Director ICT Cell, I am strongly involved in my local, that means NREN, BDREN, and the activities, the functions, and etc. of BDREN. I'm highly involved with the BDREN. I have completed my bachelor degree from RUET, Rajshahi Engineering University in 1998. I have completed my Masters of Science in Mechanical Engineering, my graduation also from Mechanical Engineering from RUET, Bangladesh in 2004. I have completed my PhD from University of Malaysia, Pahang in 2012. I have experience of 22 years. Out of 22 years, around 17 years in teaching profession, and the rest around 5 to 6 years in engineering profession. That means I was the assistant professor, assistant engineer in Rural Electrification Board, Bangladesh. During my profession, I have around 70 national and international journal publications and 30 publications in national and international conferences. I also was the distinguished speaker in Future Neurology, France, and keynote speaker in ICEMS 2016, India. And I also conducted as a session chair of many conferences and workshop, training program, etc. My expertise areas are artificial neural network, artificial intelligence, machine learning, optimization and multi-objective optimization, advanced machining, renewable energy, refrigeration, and air conditioning. Also, I'm working as a reviewer and the member of editorial board of many conferences and journals. I am here to attend the distinct workshop, tutorials, and speeches in APAN 56 to enhance my knowledge and experiences, the advanced technologies, and also the activities and activities of the other NRAIN, what are really they doing, what are they planning, etc. To improve my research and education experiences, to make collaboration and make a strong network with distinct organization, communities, countries, and experts. To also it is to know the beauty of Sri Lankan culture, because also I'm interested to know the culture and beauty of the other community, other countries. I think I have nothing to contribute in APAN 56 because my knowledge and experience very poor regarding your experiences and knowledges and skillness. However, if I get an opportunity to contribute from my expertise areas, and I would like to share my experiences and knowledge, and also to bring up the real problems in education, research, networking, etc., and to reveal their justifiable and rational answers. Because since I am a long time in teaching and profession, I know I am familiar with the problems in universities, in institutes, and research. As far as I can, I want to share the difficulties and limitations in education, learning, and research to this platform. I also to share the experiences in research, education, and publication to contribute to building a strong network, making APAN 56 a success. Thank you very much.
Okay. So we are done with the APAN introduction and the fellows introduction. Is there any questions? Okay, thank you very much.